This is a space where you slow down, gather with friends, and truly enjoy the Napa Valley lifestyle. Tucked at the end of a quiet court, it just feels easy here. Space, privacy, and that laid-back Napa pace. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home unfolds across a generous lot, where rooms connect with effortless flow. Step into your backyard oasis. That feels like your own private retreat with a pool, a putting green, raised garden beds, and curated vignettes, creating space to relax and wind and enjoy. Just minutes from Alston Park, wrapped in privacy and designed for lifestyle. If this home is speaking to you, let's make it happen.